sumama.
There's good in this finger licking good. There's good in this finger licking good. It's the taste that you crave, crave. Any place, every day, day. Nothing comes close, unmatched, unmatched. Nothing comes close, unmatched, unmatched. Ito lang ang inaasahan, di nila mapapantayan. Nothing comes close, unmatched, unmatched. Nothing comes close, unmatched, unmatched.
Take your taste to bold new heights with San Miguel Cerveza Negra, brewed with roasted malt with hints of caramel, coffee, and chocolate notes. San Miguel Cerveza Negra for a boldly unique experience. Raise the bar with San Miguel Premium Beers.
Aray!
Ang puso ko.
Sorry na naman. Walang tayo.
Ako na! Renzo!
Oh, sana masaya ka na!
Timer!
Ang sakit!
Pocari Sweat presents The Sweat You Forget. Hello there, I'm Carrie. You see, it's the sweat that you forget that's dehydrating you. Like work from home overtime, oversleeping, being in cold temperatures, having caffeinated drinks, or alcohol, fighting a fever, and even crying. But you can always recover with Pocari Sweat. Because of these ions, we can help with your body's rehydration. So remember the sweat you forget and always stay hydrated. Pocari Sweat.
Alam mo ba may isang klase ng Mighty Bond? Ito yung Mighty Bond Anti-Clog Tech. Precise ang nozzle. Tapos may flowback feature pa siya kaya hindi na magkaklog yung nozzle. May bottom stand din siya para hindi na gumugulong at pakalat-kalat. O alam mo na kapag may nasirang gamit ah.
Ramdam ko sa makina yung galing ng hatak, pero di ramdam sa bulsa. Sulit bawat pagas.
Galing at sulit, you deserve it! Petron, tapat sa'yo!
I'm Sara Alagao, representing New York, pero Cubao.
Ang munting prinsesa, ngayon ay dalaga na.
Talaga? Yes!
Sa kanyang puso ay may nagpapakilig na.
Siguro may labi-dabi ka na.
Hindi lang isa,
Friends na tayo, di ba?
Ay, syempre.
hindi lang dalawa, pero tatlo pa.
Alam mo nang nahihirapan akong dumiskarte kasi kuyang turing niya sa akin.
Sino kaya sa kanila ang deserving maging prinsipe niya?
Ito yung pinakapangarap ko sa buong mundo. Ang maging isang prinsesa.
Sarah the Teen Princess. Weekdays, 10 a.m. Premieres March 24. Ready ka na ba sa adventures na fantastic?
Pantapat ako sa'yo.
Kasama ang superhero na umod ng Wanastic.
Plastic Man, nandito ka na naman?
Of course!
Kapag si tropang flexible na ang naghabol, siguradong walang laban ang trouble.
Hey you, boy boss bro! May hangarapin mo.
Plastic Man, Saturdays, 10 a.m.